Away from the rattle and battle of the city life of Mumbai and Pune, there rests a small peaceful village of Karla. Situated in the heart of Lonavala, Karla village is known for its serene and natural beauty. The Equira Temple, Karla Caves, speak about its historic and cultural wealth. Amidst this setting lies the Institute for Future Education, Entrepreneurship and Leadership, popularly known as IFEEL. Inception of IFEEL was the result of Global Education Trust mission to explore new horizons in the field of education. This mission took its form with the first batch in September of the year 2010. IFEEL's vision is to develop and nurture leadership and entrepreneurship excellence amongst its students. Within a short span of 2.5 years, IFEEL was awarded as the Best Institute for Entrepreneurship and Leadership in India from Sri Shashi Tharoor at the Branch Academy Education Excellence Award Ceremony 2012. Anyone visiting the institute campus is mesmerized by the world-class and well-equipped infrastructure. However, it is the rigorous program focusing on the overall student development that defines the essence of IFEEL's existence. Like a career path begins in an organization, academic life in IFEEL commences with an induction program. During this induction fortnight, business catalysts, entrepreneurs, and eminent personalities from different functional areas of corporate India come to share their thoughts, knowledge, and experiences with the young IFEEL minds. This lays the foundation for 2 years of learning experience at IFEEL. The academic part of this program is ruled by the expertise of highly qualified professionals who teach and interact with the students and equip them with the acumen to fit into the competitive and challenging corporate world. Learning bears fruit only when implemented. Thus, the curriculum includes a spectrum of activities such as workshops, seminars, industry interface, and industrial visits. To chalk down a few of these initiatives are the International Retail Conference, Rural Marketing Conference, and Cutting Edge Seminar, which go hand in hand with the academic rigor. The institute also provides its student fraternity the platform to interact with connoisseurs of corporate world through events like AIMS and NHRDN. As the very name of the institute suggests, it strives to nurture innovation, entrepreneurial and leadership spirits in its students. To achieve this mission, under the captainship of CEO and Dean Dr. H.S. Chima, the institute is relentlessly working with national and international entities. Efforts in this direction have led to the institute's association with National Entrepreneurship Network and Dr. Professor Sten Ekman from Mälardalen University, Sweden. Dr. Ekman laid the foundation of RAIN Lab, which revolves around to reflect, act, innovate, and nurture innovation spirits for entrepreneurship. Today, the world has become a digital village. Any business to achieve its maximum glory needs to become a global player. To enable its future leaders, IFEEL exposes the students to international faculty who intermingle and share their experiences in their areas of expertise. Professor Stanley Ridgely from Drexel University, USA, Mr. Kunitoshi Saito from HRD Training Support, Japan, and Dr. Arvind Phatak, former Executive Director of the Institute of Global Management Studies, are a few names to mention. Besides these rigorous development programs, IFEEL also conducts international study tours, industrial visits to leading international organizations in Sweden and Japan has given form to the global applications learnt in the classrooms. To facilitate further understanding, the institute provides international internships and career opportunities. Center for Creative Leadership has designed a unique program for the students named Global Citizen Leader, which provides opportunities to learn and practice skills in real-life context. It makes the students sensitive to their surroundings, hopes to teach them to take small yet decisive steps, work with various stakeholders in the community, design simple and systematic solutions, and create a culture of responsibility. These endeavors have led to various awards and recognition brought home by the students. To mention a few are Best Young Asian Residential Value for Money B School with Global Connect Dubai, students selected as Young Ambassadors at Africa Leads South Africa, and All India Management Association National Level Business Simulation Student Management Games. Life at iFeel is not about all study and no fun. Sports form an essential part of an all-round personality development motto at iFeel. It provides a volleyball court, a cricket ground, a yoga zone, and large open areas for outdoor activities. An extreme step towards this goal is the College Fest Ashaye, which provides an entertainment platform roping in other B schools and undergraduates. Celebrations like Diwali, Holi, and Christmas, organized by the students, form the social life. Hostel Vicinity holds stories of lifelong friendships built at iFeel.